That rocked!
Here's our local Doppler radar. For tonight, isolated thunderstorms, then partly cloudy after midnight. A few storms may be severe early, low 72. And on Sunday, scattered clouds with the possibility of an isolated thunderstorm developing during the afternoon. High 97. Our week ahead.
Hello, I'm Natalie Allen. Glad you could join us this weekend as Forecast Earth takes a look at summer recreation. Well, for many of us, a summer vacation often involves a trip in the car. But these days, with gas prices high, making a long-distance trip requires more cash than ever. Just how likely is it that we'll be able to merely
by the National Weather Service. Here's our local Doppler radar. After midnight. A few storms may be severe early, low 72. Winds west-southwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Chance of rain 30%. And on Sunday, scattered clouds with the possibility of an isolated thunderstorm developing during the afternoon. High 97. And Sunday night, a few clouds early, but generally clear. A stray shower or thunderstorm is possible. Low 73. The week ahead. Traffic congestion for our area.
Welcome to PM Edition. I'm Christina Abernathy.
And I'm Carl Parker. Thank you for joining us. There is a lot going on during this first full week of June. We are tracking strong storms and tornadoes and very heavy rain as well.
And that's not all. More rain, more flooding. Some of you are saying enough is enough after nearly a foot of rain across the Midwest. And from Washington, D.C. to Tampa, you